National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Ashland City, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, White Bluff, Ridgetop, Jolton, Pleasant View, Beeman Park, Whites Creek, and Cheatham Dam. Areas of concern include Marrowbone and Little Marrowbone Creek near Ashland City, Upper and Lower Sycamore Creek, Whites Creek, and Manskers Creek, including Millersville and Goodlettsville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground and